Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divanus Osoko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to color grade your image using Camera Raw. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So this image, I actually did my frequency separation. After that I flattened all the layers, so that's why it's still showing this background. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to duplicate it. Then after duplicating, I'll get to my filter and I will click on the Camera Raw filter. So it's actually going to load the Camera Raw. So after that, this is how it's going to be. So I'll now get to my basics. I'll now add the exposure to 20. So after that, I'll now take the contrast to plus, I think plus 10 is fine. So once I'm done with that, I now head to my highlight. So I'll now take this highlight to 20. I think 20 is fine. So the shadows, if I take it this way, it's dark. So I'll now take the shadows to 15. So once I'm done, sorry guys, I'll now take this light to plus 4. So after that, I also shift this part. What the black is doing now, if I take this down, you can now see it's adding more black, like more blacks to the dark part. So I just want it to be at 5. I think 6 is fine. So after that, I'm going to add the clarity to 10. So once I'm done with this, I'll now come to the color mixer. So I'll now get to the saturation. I don't like the skin tone to be desaturated, so I'm just going to add this to plus 4. So this red takes care of this and lips. So if I add more red, you can now see add lips is somehow. So I'll now take this light to plus 5. So then I'll add yellow, then also green to it. So after I'm done with the saturation, I'll now get to the hue. So I'll now click on the hue, then I'll take this orange to minus 5. So once I'm done with this, I'll not touch any other thing, then I'm okay. So I'll now get to the effect and I'll now take this light to plus 13. So what this does is actually going to add darkness around the edges. So let me just take this to the last part so you see it. So you can now see I'll now add 13. So once I'm done with this, you can now see this is actually where I did some adjustments. I did over here and I did over here. So all these other parts I have not gotten to work on them. So let me just show you. This is the before and this is the after of it. You can now see the difference while color grading. So this is going to enrich the skin tone and is going to add more colors to the image. So right here I think it's kind of dark, so I'll now add it to plus 25. You can now see the difference. So after doing that, I'll now click on OK. So once I'm done, you can now see the effect is being added. So this is how I got to color grade using Camera Raw. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos coming up. But for now, see you in the next video. Bye.